Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Easy Mode. Finally, to activate it, click on gray sweater next to it. Then adjust all of those options however you wish to and tap on Home button. As you can see, Easy Mode is now on. In order to disable it, go back to exactly the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!